I'm going to be putting brakes on this 2000 Craftsman. So, this is how I'm going to do it. I cut a hole right there with the hole saw. The brake thing's back there. Here's the brake rod. I cut it, bent it to the right length. Just eyeball it. I got to cut that. I got to not cut it. Got to bend that bend back straight. And maybe this one stays. Bend that back straight so it doesn't hit the frame, and then I'll do that, and then I'll show you guys. Guys, this literally took me, I don't know, literally 2 minutes to put together. Just had to cut that, bend it, and there we go. Everyone's doing this complicated measurements. You don't need that. All you need is a stock rod, that thing. Take the push button out of this so it doesn't lock in those. Cut off, I don't know what size this is. That size of hole in your floorboard. Bend this kind of straight, but you bend a curve in it too. And goes right to the brake and goes back. That's brake engaging, and so on. This is how it works. I gotta space that so it doesn't catch on that. Gotta space it down. I gotta adjust that, but so it doesn't catch on that. I'm just gonna cut those off. So everyone's doing it really complicated. And I hate complicated stuff. You're trying to copy on YouTube. You're watching the video 5 million times when this is the easiest route, be honest. Stock rods, stock things, all you have to do is cut a hole in that. So, I'm going to get these cut off and get that all tightened up. Cutting the things off now. Gotta get that out of the way. Well, I got one out of the way. And a molten lawnmower. Kind of both knocked off. Oh. So, turn that. Got nothing to hook up on. Spaced out. I might not need to cut those, but this thing comes with a factory washer. Where the frig they went? Right there. We put that there, our chair, just like that. And then, I know guys, this is a really short video, but this works perfect. So, cut those ribs out. I got the cotter pin in that. Hole cutting that. I already showed you that, but I got that all situated, and I got that not hit. So, I'm either giving a level 1 of onions or a level 5 onions for no, that only goes up to level 4. So, I'm gonna go test her, and I know it works because I'll set you guys up and show you. So, I'm gonna go back, stop. Okay, now we're gonna go forward. Drags the back tire. So there you go. Hope you guys liked the video. Comment down below if you want to see more tips and tricks like this. See you guys.